ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ವಸ್ಥ ವೃತ್ತ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮಂಗಳಗೌರಿ ಬುಕ್. This is introduction, ದಿನಚರ್ಯ, ಋತುಚರ್ಯ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಋತುಚರ್ಯ, ಸದ್ವೃತ್ತ, ತ್ರಯೋಪಸ್ತಂಭ, ಆಹಾರ, ನಿದ್ರೆ, ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಚರ್ಯ, ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಯಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ. Next one is the nutrients and the national deficiency disorders. Okay, next is the food hygiene. Next is the nidra, brahmacharya, that ahara, nidra, brahmacharya. What is importance? What are the rules for the brahmacharya? Roga utpadaniya. What are cause for the diseases? Types of diseases. Nidana panchaka of diseases. Okay, next for sign for sastha, ಅಷ್ಟನಿಂದಿತ ಪುರುಷ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಜಸ್ವಲಚರ್ಯ, ಮೆನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರುವಲ್ ಹೈಜೀನ್, ಹೌ ಟು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮೆನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರುವಲ್ ಹೈಜೀನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೋಗ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಿಸರ್ಗೋಪಚಾರ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಷ್ಟವಿಧ ಯೋಗ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೋಗ? ಹೌ ದ ಯೋಗ ಶಬ್ದ ಉತ್ಪತ್ತಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೋಗ. ಜ್ಞಾನ ಯೋಗ, ಭಕ್ತಿ ಯೋಗ, ಕರ್ಮಯೋಗ, ಹಠ ಯೋಗ, ರಾಜಯೋಗ, ಮಂತ್ರಯೋಗ, ಲಯೋಗ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪಥ್ಯ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಪಥ್ಯ, ಹೂ ಮೇಕ್ ದ ಯೋಗ. ಪಂಚಕೋಶ ಥಿಯರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅನಾಮಯ ಕೋಶ, ಪ್ರಾಣಮಯ ಕೋಶ, ಮನೋಮಯ ಕೋಶ, ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಮಯ ಕೋಶ, ಅಂಡಮಯ ಕೋಶ. ಓಕೆ, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ 5 koshas. What is the effect of yoga on the kosha? What are the ashtanga yogas? What are the asanas, types of asanas, important of asana? Okay, next one is the pranayama, type of practice. Okay, and it's important point. Next one is a Shatkarma. Okay, next one is Bandha and Mudras. Okay, next one is Ida Pingal and Sushumna Nadi. Okay, what is on the left side, what is on the right side, what is the Kundalini Shakti, what are the technique to help to awakening the Kundalini Shakti. Okay, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhi. Okay, Yoga and Ayurveda. What is the definition of yoga in the Ayurveda, and what is integrated approach of yoga therapy? Okay, that's given very beautifully in this book. Next one is the Nisargopachara. Okay, introduction to the naturopathy. What is naturopathy? What is principles of naturopathy? What is the destructive principles of naturopathy and constructive principles? What is the Jala Chikitsa? Okay, hydrotherapy. What is mud therapy? Mritika Chikitsa. What is the Surya Namaskara? What is the Surya Kirana Sevana? Sun bath. Okay, that is called as holiotherapy. Next one is the Mardana. Next one is the nature cure diet. Okay, the fasting therapy. Next one is the Vishwamsha Chikitsa. Paper product, Samajika Sastharutta, etiology. Okay, first one is the Janapadhamsa. What is Janapadhamsa? How the Visheshan of Janapadhamsa, Visheshan of the Vayu, Jala, Bhumi and the Rutu. Okay, what is the effect of that Janapadhamsa and modern aspect of the treatment and the importance of the Panchakarma and Rasayana in the treating the Janapadhamsa. Okay, what is Vayu? Importance of Vayu, vitiated Vayu, normal functions of Vayu, vitiated air effect on the environment. Okay, wind during the direction as per the Sushruta Samhita. Next, how the Vayu Shodhana is composed and what is the composition of Vayu. Okay, all aspects of the Vayu, air pollution and the effect on the health. Okay, how to prevent the air pollution. Next is the Jala. Okay, the classifications of Jala, importance of Jala, water requirement. Okay, types of Jala and hardness of Jala. What component comes in the calcium and magnesium? How many percentage in the water that will become the hardness of water? Method of water purification according to Ayurveda, modern and examination of water and the water quality and quantity and the rainwater harvesting and the water recycling method. Okay, next in the 4th chapter explained about the land and tree residential place. Okay, Bhumi, Tathya and the Nivasa Sthana. Next one is the lighting, Prakasha. What is lightning? Okay, next 6th chapter is the noise pollution. 7th is the radiation. 8th one is the disposal solid waste. 9th one is the biomedical waste management. 10th one is the X-ray disposal. 11th chapter is the disposal of dead body. 12th is the meteorology. Okay, Rutu Evam Vatavarana Jnana, definition of weather and climate, factors influencing the weather and climate. Okay, how the weather and climate affecting our health and disaster management. It is very important. What is classification and the nature and man-made disorders and disasters. Okay, disaster management and organization involved in the disaster management, very important. Next one is the occupational health. Okay, what are aim and occupational health disorders and the physical and chemical and biological and Psychological health hazards. Okay, what is ESI Act, Indian Factors of Act. Next one is the health school. These are the basics. Okay, and what is epidemiology, very important for the your theory exams. Okay, and next one is the disinfectant, and next one is Vedic Shamatva. Okay, that is nothing but immunity. What is definition of Vedic Shamatva, importance and the Ojas and Bala, and definition and the features and formation and classification and the relation between the Ojas and Bala or Dikara Bhavas. Okay, next one is the epidemiology of communicable disease, that is Sankramika Rogas, that is transmissible from the one to another. Okay, by the many method. Okay, definition as per the Ayurveda and modern. What are the respiratory disorders? What are the respiratory communicable disorders? That is smallpox, chickenpox, measles and rubella and mumps and influenza, diphtheria. Okay, the meningococcal meningitis, SARS and the COVID-19, tuberculosis. Okay, next are the intestinal infections. See, polymyxis, viral hepatitis A, B, C, D, E, cholera, typhoid, amoebiasis, ascaris. Okay, next arthropod-borne infections and the other infectious diseases. Okay, 20 is the STDs. Okay, that is Krupa Sangaja Vyadis. Okay, next one non-communicable diseases, epidemiology of diabetes, obesity and the hypertension and coronary heart disease and rheumatoid heart disease and the cancer. These are the mainly non-communicable diseases. 22 chapter is the house building. Okay, Chikitsalaya Bhavana. Okay, 23 is the primary health care. Okay, PHC. And the definition and elements and the principles and the what are the PHC, CHC and the rural health hospital levels and contribution to the government and non-government hospitals. Okay, Ayush, very important is Ayush and the QCI and the rule of Ayurveda and the family health care and the family welfare program. Okay, Parivara Kalyana Yojana. Okay, what is demographic cycle. Okay, next one is the maternal and child health welfare program, Madru Shishu Kalyana Yojana. Maternal and child health. Okay, aims and objectives. What are the aims and objectives for the maternal and child health, maternal care and the antenatal care, internatal care and the postnatal care in detail. Okay, it is explained in the maternal and child health care program. Okay, what is mode of use and indication and contraindication, care of children, neonatal care and the infant care. Okay, the measurement for the disease prevention and the immunization. Okay, various programs for the mother and the child welfare. The 26th chapter is the preventive geriatrics. Okay, what is definition of elderly and causes the defecation of during the jara, means that is Vyadhi. Okay, common geriatric health programs, prevention and controlling measurements, government health programs and prevention and control measurements. Okay, government in the policies for elderly. Okay, 27th is the World Health Organization. Okay, WHO, objectives and structures and functions and the Amla Atta declaration. Okay, very important for their examination, Amla Atta declaration. International health agencies, United Nations agencies. Okay, the health work for bilateral agencies. 29th is the national health policies. Okay, very important, primary aim and goal and the universal health covering. And what is the targets of the national health policies. Okay, what is the role of the Ayush in this national health policy in 2017. Okay, when the when the PM Modi came into the maintaining the mainstreaming the potentials of Ayush. Okay, next 30 is the health statistics. Okay, definition and source of classification and data and classification and data collection. What is the data and what is vital statistics and aim and objectives. Okay, 31st is the health administration. Okay, Swasthya Prashana, health administration at the central level. Okay, next one is national health program. 33 is the national nutrition program. Okay, please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.